Hey everybody, so the landscape crew, Enviroscape LA, is out here and doing a redo of this really cool pollinator habitat in Long Beach, California. And originally, about 15 years ago, this was part of the ocean-friendly garden program from Surfrider. Well, the lesson to be learned that everybody has to learn is that everything needs maintenance, and if there's delayed maintenance, then things just kind of fall apart. So what we're doing here today was we actually redid a lot of native planting. We got all these natives in. The poppies there were originally here. Homeowners grow native plants. Love that. So we did travel a little bit more than we're used to, but it was well worth it. And so we got the native planting in, Stephanie Hemingway design on this. And we're putting this EcoFlow. It's like a super glue you mix with little gravel, and that way it bonds together and it doesn't kick off because we're real close to the sidewalk here. And what's cool about it is very, very permeable. So this is what it looks like. We put gravel down, landscape fabric, then gravel on top, and then we taped it because the tape, you don't want the super glue landing on the beautiful stone, otherwise it will stain it. So we got it, the native plants in. We're going to be doing drip irrigation shortly, so stay tuned.